Hello, beautiful people. Today I will tell you that how AADME will help me in my journey till now. I'm grateful for my life and destiny for bringing me a part of AADME. This makes me realize that I have something special that others don't have. As a digital marketing platform, I think AADME is best where you learn a lot of things related with the course plus your life also. When I started my career, I knew nothing about digital marketing, fully zero. But in few days, I had learned a lot, really a lot. So I really thankful to the admin team and especially Alok sir. He had been the source of my life. He not only educate us, he also teach us about the lesson of the life. He make me more confident, really more confident. And now I think I am able to compete with this world. I think that he is my strength. And I consider myself very lucky to be the part of the ADME family. So I really very thankful to the ADME team. Thank you.